Tyler, open the stream and look at my screen right now. It's literally broken on my end. How do I... Are my controls broken? I can't even move my character. That's awesome. What is... I think my game is genuinely busted. Oh, I think my game is actually broken. I literally cannot move.
Yikes. I'm just gonna skip vote because I'm trying to figure out this map.
I'm trying to figure out the controls.
Yeah, this is like.
Why are you
Are you guys gonna vote or what? God damn.
Who's combat? Oh, I know.
Aiden!
Bro,
Can
you
you-
guys are like the most fun Among Us players ever.
Honestly.
You know what, let's vote him off next time because he's taking so fucking long.
What are you even doing?
Did Aiden go AFK or
Yeah.
something?
Oh my god.
Yeah, vote Aiden off because he wants to be AFK.
Yeah, let's vote him off next time. Fuck him.
Alright, yeah, next time I swear.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My parents and I had a quick beer. I did not mean to be.
Don't care, you're getting voted off.
What?
Don't care.
I can't move. I can't.
What the fuck?
Oh, this is a very fun game. I'm half tempted to unmute myself and just ask them if they're even... What? Is this why? I just found out why Amogus wasn't working. I have to put in my date of birth.
You didn't put in your date of birth.
It didn't give me the option.
You put in your job.
You can't be a fetus and play Among Us.
Yeah, unfortunately. Alright, can I move now? Okay, that was it. Wow. Wait, are we playing
Yeah, I
without
totally
Tyler?
Stream my desktop. So that's definitely
No,
what I'm
it's-
playing on.
Sorry.
I don't know how to change your name on here. Hold on, change my name.
Where does anything go in this map? Oh, I can climb. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, I didn't even know we were... Dude, if I had known we were voting for Will, I would have fucking voted. Jesus.
I know, you should have said it louder.
Why are you voting me
I'm
out?
sorry.
I'm genuinely
Because you're
confused.
fucking sus as Among Us. Shut up.
How?
Because we said so.
Yeah, now mute yourself. Whoa. What? The fuck? The fucking AKs. AKs and golden pistols and fucking Among Us. That's awesome. This game's not too bad. Why are you watching me? You're a nasty ass sus as Among Us. Bro, I don't care about lights. Bro, what?
Black, really?
Bro, we got so many kills.
Nobody saw any bodies.
Yeah, y'all thought it was me.
Bro, it was
really?
all on the lower part of the map.
That explains
This
it.
map is huge.
I know. Yeah,
This map
I
is
literally only saw Will that entire game.
I saw Sev, and I was like, oh, I'll be fine.
I respect
Yo, what the fuck
that.
farted? Among Us is a weird game. Oh,
I
I
think
found
know who-
orange in
I know-
showers.
Okay, wait. Before we start discussing, I think it is, again, sub to my YT because I saw them pass by me, and then as I was leaving the room, the doors closed right behind me.
Why would I shut the doors on you when you're in a room alone?
Yeah,
that's just a
you.
coincidence.
That's how
Will?
you.
No. I want to ask where Will was.
Oh, I
Oh,
saw.
I'm in the main hall.
The cop
Yeah, I
Will
I
saw.
was in the-
literally just got done doing the deviated power to the whatever the front room is.
Alright, so we have learned nothing so far.
Okay.
I don't.
Wow.
So I don't think it's
It's Will.
Let me just vote myself on.
Honestly, the biggest reason why I thought it was
Wow.
Will is because like I watched him walk away from me, and then the direction I saw him go in is when I see a dead
Who
body.
voted
Have
for
you
me?
the
I
awesome
don't.
thing?
I
It's like a
think it
launcher
was
pad,
Will. 'Cause
like a
Will
safe
could have
path.
killed
How do you
me.
do the safe
Why am I
path?
like the most sus player?
I don't know.
Because you are.
Yeah, because you play very sus.
I
When the
literally
imposter is sus.
When the imposter is sus.
just- when the crewmate.
We did crew. Make burger. Holy shit, this game goes hard. What? Oh. I'm gonna keep running. I'm gonna keep running. Hopefully someone fixed the lights. I'm not gonna even bother.
Holy shit! How do you do the safe?
safe task. I don't know how to do it.
The what?
Do the what?
So awful.
The safe task.
The
Also,
safe-
Oh,
Aiden
okay,
said he saw DG come out of a vent.
Izzy, listen, I did that last time. So what you do, so the arrow, that's the direction you pull it in.
No, that didn't work.
How do you
Wait,
pull?
like you rotate the numbers. Because you're opening a safe.
Oh.
So you rotate.
With green.
Alright, DG, I
Oh,
appreciate the help, but I
Casey.
saw you come out of the vent. I'm sorry. Well, I didn't
I'm
touch
poop color. First of all, I'm poop color. Second of
I
all,
like how she
I never
waited till
remembered that
everyone.
was
I like how she waited till everyone voted to tell her that she was
I'm
suspicious
just
of her.
hanging out in the showers.
Dude,
Sorry.
why are y'all
Love
voting?
Easy.
I don't even know what the fuck I was supposed to do. Okay. Huh? What the?
Was
What do you-
right. It was
I knew it.
Carson.
Dude, why'd you have to kill me when I opened the door?
found-
I was
I
just trying to help somebody.
told me
I found the body and I couldn't open the
No,
door.
okay. Well, when I heard Carson say, "Hey, could you come to electrical?" and then Will ends up dead. Or wait, I swear.
Who the fuck said?
Alright, there's a
You
free
were
open spot
asking
since
for
Aiden
help,
left.
but I was just trying to help.
Wow.
Why am I brown? Why
What?
What the fuck?
I'm red.
I can load into GTA and finish a heist in the time it takes for us to start a game.
I am right here.
Why do Americans have like an IQ lower than 5?
Bro, you're literally the dumbest one here. I don't want to hear it.
Shut up, you're British. Shut up, you're British.
Why are American so good?
Because
Who the
I could
fuck
like.
are we
One
waiting
person
on?
enjoying,
Who are we
God.
waiting
Bro,
on?
I might as
Who are
well
we
go get
waiting
a
on?
pizza and finish the whole
Who
damn
are we
thing.
waiting on?
They're all people in the-
Waiting.
Oh.
Ah!
Okay, I've only played as Killer like literally once, and it was a game of 4 people. So do not expect any good of this, especially when like I don't know anything about this map in the slightest. What's something I can pretend to do? All right.
Where's Orange? Orange was dead.
I'm
Oh, they're both
Thinking-
dead. Double murder.
trying
Double
to
murder.
rewind tapes.
I
Okay.
think Will killed somebody.
Wow.
What?
Lucia's been kind of following me the entire time. I'm kind of scared.
Oh, that's enough.
Lucy, what do you have to say about this?
I have to say that I was with Seb literally the whole time, so I couldn't have gotten the kill. I don't know what. I don't know
Why-
what you're talking about.
So you're just gonna throw Seb under the
Killed
bus like
everybody
that?
around him.
Oh, man.
We'll go get your popcorn.
Go
Okay,
get your.
just kill me.
Just skip vote and get your popcorn. God
Okay, I'm
damn.
gonna go get my popcorn now. Have fun. I hope you all die.
Oh my god, we already fucking lost. That's fucking crazy.
Well, it's not Lucia.
Nope, not Lucia. We need to vote somebody off.
Carson,
like-
what were you doing? Checks out. That checks out. Who's Afro Puff? What did you doing?
I was walking through electrical.
I did not see you there.
That's bullshit, cause I literally was
I was-
just Bro, I
was
could
just
literally
in electrical. I
Bro,
was
I'm
literally just-
standing in electrical right now.
Oh, you are. Oh, right now. Okay, because I just walked out.
Yeah, I was trying to get the fuck out of there, but like I keep walking into the doorways.
Oh, yes. Maybe it's Ghost.
That's also believable.
Maybe it's Ghost or KC.
Ghost, how so?
Okay,
'Cause I've been doing task. I just got done downloading shit out of communications.
I am in the gap room. I just found like a really cool like little floating platform, and I was like, well, I'm gonna go across this. And I was also texting a friend.
That checks out. That checks out.
That checks out, yeah.
Well, that. Who's the imposter? Yeah,
I
who
think-
done it?
We have
Hmm.
20
Wait, do I have
seconds.
Carson muted? Hold on.
Okay.
We have 20 seconds.
I just realized I had him
I
muted. I
voted
thought he was
Casey.
muted the whole time. Holy shit.
I'm voted KC.
We have
I-
under
Wow.
10 seconds.
There
I'm
we go.
sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know what
You're
I
so
muted you
nice.
for, but
I'm sorry. We need to vote somebody.
Damn.
Watch this be wrong. And it's Carson and goes.
Goodbye.
I believe it's Bo because his explanation was not in.
I genuinely don't even see myself on the screen.
I'm voting you out because I was doing the tape.
Vote me out then. You won't win.
Okay, then who do you think it is?
I don't know.
Well, there's only
no,
one possible left.
it's okay. I'm either
Wrong,
split
then we
between.
killed the guy.
I honestly think it is Will.
And why is that?
Will's dead.
What? I said Bull. Not Will.
I agree with
This man wants to kill Will so fucking much.
Bro, let's kill Will. Will.
We gotta kill Will. Gotta fucking kill this man.
You gotta murder his corpse. Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck? I didn't even do anything.
That's the point.
Wait, please let me this be a win.
Too bad.
We're wrong, then we
Wait.
need to call
Yes!
the meeting.
I fucking hate how Will got himself killed immediately.
Well, Bull, your defense.
Wait, Will was the other imposter?
Yes.
It was Bull.
He literally gets himself thrown out at the beginning of the
Carson, You were
game.
so right.
We're the
Carson,
imposters.
Carson, you were right. Carson, you were right.
What was I right on?
How Will killed me because I was orange.
Yeah, oh yeah, that was so fucking smart. I was like, wait a minute.
I was like, okay, there was no way he was in electrical just
It
now.
hasn't
But I was like, okay.
At the very end, I did walk into electrical, but yeah, it was after I killed Lucia.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I like everyone else gave an in-depth response on what they were doing, and then you said, "Oh, I'm in electrical." So
Yeah,
I
I said, yeah, I had just walked into electrical, which I did.
Yeah.
I mean, shit, like, let's be honest, haven't all of us gotten lost in this electrical, like, at least twice?
yeah,
I haven't been there yet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like half of the doors are closed when they really. Why are they? I don't know. That room's dumb.
Yeah. I think I got my cover blown immediately. I don't know if only one person can do that task, so I probably just got myself fucked immediately. Can't let him live. Can't let him live. Shit! No! Shut up, Daryl.
It's in meeting room. They looked like they were doing a task. I don't know what it's called. It's like very top right of the button.
It's a self-report.
Oh, I know.
Why?
I saw an admin.
Data screen.
There was always 2 people in meeting room.
I was busy doing
Two
records.
people went up together
Yeah,
and 2 people
I
stayed
saw
there until
Will
the body got
record,
reported.
so.
Well, I
Did
just
you see
went
someone
up,
catch
so
you on the way down then?
Orange is
no.
dead.
So someone says
called it.
self-report because there have always been 2 people admin. One of them's dead. The other guy in there reported, so he probably killed it and reported.
Couldn't that mean
I
that the
saw
other
Will. I
person
saw
entered,
Will
though?
and Carson. I literally just walked in. And
I mean,
saw Will and Carson.
I could be wrong, but like I'm pretty sure it's either a self-report or you saw who killed it. And you're not saying
No, I
who killed it, I'm
didn't
just
see
guessing it's
anyone.
So
And then
sad.
I'm
even
sorry.
looked-
I left the app for a second.
All right.
Nobody voted.
Hey,
for
I
me.
don't get it. Wouldn't there be a time where it says there's no one in the meeting room?
No.
But the imposter would have to leave the meeting room. The other person's dead.
Please
It would show
count
that
on
no one
admin
there. Then I would go, and then it would say one person.
I absolutely should have fucking lost there. Holy shit.
Close.
I don't know.
Why would you want to leave it open? Who leaves
These are
the
emotional.
door open when they're peeing?
I leave it open after I'm done so people
Yeah,
know they can
don't
go.
talk.
Did you know that
Okay.
doors have hinges?
So I think it might be Will.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. You said Will or Bull?
Will.
Okay, Jesus Christ, now I'm doing the same thing you did.
Will went from records to.
It just ain't me.
It's very convincing.
I'm built different.
You did say you killed it.
I leave no bodies behind me. Like,
Let's go.
Let's
Why couldn't we
Nothing
just vote Will anyway?
Let's go, Bull.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh
I'm gonna
my
win this.
god.
What do you mean? You lost.
What?
Yeah.
I don't,
Yes,
dude.
what do you
sir.
I don't know how I got
Yes,
away with that first kill.
sir.
Well,
You're
at least we
stupid.
will.
I literally killed. I made the drive-by on Izzy.
I forgot who the first person well, the only person I killed was, but like, I saw them go up that ladder, so I fucking chase them up there, kill them. I go down the ladder, and someone else fucking sees me come down the ladder, and I just fucking knew. I thought I was dead there.
You said you didn't see anyone.
I think
I
it's
didn't see anyone.
and I was like,
Oh,
"Hey, I'm
yeah.
gonna kill him," and then I vented.
Well, Bull just said you passed him on the ladder.
Yeah, someone passed
I
me
don't-
when I came
I
down that
might have
ladder, and then they
saw
went
it.
up
Yeah,
the
he said
ladder.
it was Carson.
Hanging
Well,
on.
if you watch
Okay,
the VOD
really?
at twitch.tv/BullinVodBear, then you'll clearly see he walked past me.
Bull and Vod, bear.
Oh no, DG. Oh
Bro,
no.
Yeah,
this is
Bull and
Run.
Vod, baby.
This is such a good game, bro.
Meeting room. Hopefully no one pulls him. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not falling for that. Nope. That's not happening today. Unironically, Will was kind of acting sus.
I don't even care anymore. Just let me go on my life.
I'm just saying, because I'm pretty sure there's only one task up there for one person, and he tried to follow me up the ladder.
You.
No,
Alright,
believe
and
it. I
also,
saw her.
Bull, why did you go into the vault and just look around and then leave?
Because I was trying to figure out what task I was supposed to do, and I didn't leave. I actually did the task there where you put the shit on the mannequin.
Sounds valid.
I believe it.
I believe.
What are
Yeah, I
we
already voted.
be voting? Vote skip.
I'm vote skipping.
There we go. Jesus.
Izzy! Izzy! I witnessed the murder! I watched you kill him!
Okay, my mom called me to dinner like 5 minutes ago. I should probably go.
So who is it?
It's Izzy.
You said
I knew she was sus from the start.
I just
What
watched 3 people pass me by, and then Izzy just murdered someone right in front of me.
So bad.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta go now, guys. That was fun. Goodbye.
Get in here. Where's Nick?
Eat quickly. Nah, man. She
Eat quickly.
Eat quickly.
Probably gonna change pretty soon. But what? Wait, what?
Picking up towels. Really?
There is a dead body in electrical. I couldn't see it, but there's a report button there.
I think it's Tyler. He's been awfully quiet.
Excuse me, I've just been very polite, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh,
I'm not trying to be an
uh-huh,
asshole or
uh-huh.
nothing.
He's walked past me a few times, but that doesn't say anything about his
Wow,
innocence.
I see what's happening.
If it's
It's
not
fucked
Tyler,
up, dude. Just because I'm orange, you see how it is.
If it's not Tyler, it's Bull.
What?
So who's Tyler?
What, dude?
Why would it be me? I voted out Izzy on the. I voted against Izzy on the very first round.
I can
to
confirm.
cover
Izzy.
for yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's Tyler?
What the fuck?
Acco.
Orange.
That's
Orange.
so fucked up.
I'd say it's
dude.
Sebi if it's not him.
Oh my god.
I don't think it's Sebi.
Is Will dead?
So you're
yet?
saying it's you?
No, I'm not. It's not me, dude.
Okay, I think
I'm
it's
picking
Will.
up towels. I had 2 left.
I don't believe you. Screenshot.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it was him.
There you
Okay.
go. Ain't Will.
Easy win, easy life.
Izzy, I
You're
thought it was you because
terrible.
I didn't see you do the download for the upload, but it's a new map, so I kind of just assumed you didn't have to.
Izzy, you're
She said something that
terrible.
made me very suspicious on the first round, so that's why I voted against her.
What'd you
Hey,
say?
I'm sorry.
You said something
You
about a
said
certain
white.
task. I
Wait.
can't remember it, but it seemed really
Yeah,
off.
It was the.
What's her name?
God,
What's her
fucking
name?
Maddie's here.
Maddie.
She's not even in the game. Get out of here.
Hey, Maddie.
I was gonna join, but
You're not even in the game. Leave the call. Go away.
Oh, join. I want her in
We
here.
are
I want her in here. She'll ooh woo and ooh us. She'll make I don't know.
I swear to God, if she fucking does that voice, I'm kicking her from the call.
What's the voice?
She'll like
She already
You
left.
don't want to know.
What? No, I
she'll like
want to.
speak.
You genuinely don't.
Can somebody imitate it, please?
Can we switch hosts?
So-
I don't want to wait 5 minutes between each game.
Is it like really high pitched?
It's depraved. Anyways.
Wolf's favorite-
Well, here, what the fuck was Tyler gonna say? Okay. Shit, now that'll bring people to him.
Orange is dead and
It
showered.
was Ghost. It was Ghost. I saw him vent. It was Ghost.
I didn't vent. I'm in
I
the
saw him
shower.
vent. I saw him vent. It was
I'm
Ghost.
in the shower. You dumb bitch.
No, I heard
In the shower.
suspicious.
So vote for Ghost, right?
I
Yes,
guess.
I'm in
Alright.
the shower.
Everybody voted. Oh,
Discrimination.
everybody
This is
Well,
because
it's
I'm
not him.
non-binary,
Who voted
right?
is he
I
then?
feel no guilt. I feel no guilt.
Alright, good start so far. Good start. Oh, I didn't even know that was the last person we needed. Okay.
How did we lose?
Oh my god, that was so easy.
Task is actually gonna
Gosh,
be
that was so
really
simple.
Hey, Will,
I would have killed him quicker if I known he was the last one who
Will,
needed.
do you listen to that? Bye.
I forgot who was the first person.
Tyler.
Oh right, I killed Tyler. I forgot.
Bye. Yeah,
And then
you-
Izzy fucking blames it on fucking what's his name for some reason.
Ghost.
Bye.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
not
like,
working.
why did everyone believe
Listen, he
it?
disappeared for no.
What do you mean appeared? What do you mean appeared? I was
Began
No,
being
you
rendered.
disappeared. You just like disappeared.
what the
And you were
You what?
standing on top of the vent when you
There
disappeared.
was no way I've never seen you in that, bro. Your game is broken.
You left
Yeah,
it.
that
You
sounds
left
about
it rendered.
I
You're
hate mobile.
broken.
I
Your
hate
mobile
mobile.
rendered.
I hate mobile.
Yeah.
I hate
Blame
mobile.
it, mobile, sure.
It was Will.
We did it.
That was the shittiest fucking shit ever, dude.
All together.
You guys should eat your own cum and then die.
I can will die.
I always fucking die in the beginning, dude. I hate you. Will, I hope you die.
Maybe you shouldn't
Who
stand
was?
still.
I was doing my job, bitch. What am I supposed to say? I was being a great citizen, and then I get fucking murdered.
It was fun while it lasted.
No, it was not, because I died. Fucking assholes.
Big
I
man.
had no idea who I was gonna.
Oh my
It's not
god.
about I
Who
fucking
called that?
you.
How does that work?
Who is
How does
it?
that work? How does that work? How does that work? How does that work?
That work?
You hate me.
Do I still get to talk because I pressed the button before I died?
Who killed you?
Who was it? Who was
Wait,
it?
how did
Is
you?
he?
It's
killed
Izzy,
you?
yeah. I guess it is.
Alright, I am going to say who I think it is because she was following me around for 7
John
minutes and I
Henry.
pressed the button before I died. It's Izzy.
I feel like it is Izzy too.
Good
because she
voter.
was-
I could, but I'm dead because I pressed the button and then I died.
I don't know what's going on.
No, you're not dead.
Yeah, he is.
He
That's why
is
he's
dead,
grayed
yeah,
out.
because he's grayed out.
X on my face!
I don't see an X on your face. You're not dead.
We're
Actually,
burying him
Jake.
right now and he's just screaming at us.
Yeah.
Izzy.
I don't see an X
Wow,
on his face.
that
He's
was-
dead. Like, I
Good
don't,
enough.
I, don't,
That's a good glitch right there.
I don't see dead people, remember?
I see dead people.
Easy
That was
win.
such
Let's go.
Izzy, I saw you fake a task like right at the start of the game, and I just didn't call you out for it. And I voted you every round.
No, I had a feeling it was Izzy because she walked in the stall with us. Like, and she started laughing like she was gonna kill us or something.
Let's go.
I like how she joins the call but still doesn't join the game. That's wild.
Why are
I-
you
I
guys
said
starting
it
without
She's
a?
downloading the game. She's downloading the
Why is
game.
she here? Wait for it to download then join. God damn, dude.
Too late. You can wait after this and that.
Sus Among Us. God damn.
Such as Among Us.
Okay. Yeah, that's about right. I don't think they're never gonna find me. Oh shit.
It's not Will.
I don't know who
It's
did
not
it, but
Will.
I found it near the lounge.
I promise it's not Will.
Okay. A follow-up question.
It's Will.
It's not Will.
I think it's
Okay.
Dude, I
How do you
have
say
one
it?
more
That's
power.
all.
I'm gonna like
I would
Y'all
rather
used
because
to
he has
let me
like
finish
imposter
that.
3 times in a row.
I cannot understand a single word that's
Okay.
being
Has
said.
anyone seen Elizabeth?
No.
No.
I
I know,
did,
but
I
it's
did.
not blue.
Elizabeth.
Tyler, mute yourself. You're dead.
Carson,
Wait, who are we
vote!
voting? Who?
I voted
Ghost,
Lizzie.
vote ghost,
Okay.
vote ghost.
But it's not me. What?
Terrible.
Let's
Oh,
go!
No, I
Wait, how
knew
did
it
you
was.
run so fast?
Yo, y'all
I
are the
knew it was
worst
Seb.
teammates
Seb.
ever.
It was
This
Seb.
was on
How did
me.
you run
I
so
knew
fast?
you didn't vote Seb. You didn't vote Seb. How do you say that I'm the worst? You didn't vote Seb.
Yeah, no, I actually saw him and I didn't realize. I forgot imposter vision is way bigger than you guys.
Dumb.
Yo, what? This man's. Alright, let's see. Fuck. Yeah. Report it. Oh my god. Yeah, so he's the other guy. Cool. That is good to know.
I think it's Carson.
I think it's Ghost.
We're about to
I
find
do
out.
Carson all time.
Let's go.
I want to explain what exactly happened. So I walk out, Carson kills me, Ghost walks up to my body, looks at it, then walks away, then comes back, then walks away, then comes back.
I was looking for someone. I was looking for someone.
Yeah, okay.
Because I heard Bull, I heard somebody when I saw your body. I was like, okay, they're close. So I started looking for them. And then when I couldn't find them,
I
called the
genuinely, honestly, I thought you were the other imposter until I realized how many people were in the game, and then I just realized, oh, okay, he just wants me dead.
No, I'm looking for the other guy. There was, dude,
Jesus.
Carson like closed the door or something like that when you died. So I was looking for Carson. I was looking for who Carson was.
Jeez.